Welcome back, everybody. I am Dave, one mechanic, and today's video I'm going to show you some stubby ratchets that I have. Compare my stubby ratchets. They're all 3/8 drive stubby ratchets, and I just received one from Observer Tools to try out, and I've only used it once. It has some neat features on it, and it worked really well for what I needed it for. I've only used it once since making this film right now, but it worked out really well. But I'll show you the comparison of what I have and some of the features of the Observer. And then after that, you guys are gonna watch me clean my cart. Sounds like fun, right? Actually, I'm going to show you the product I use to do it, and hopefully you can see the difference in it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up as much, but you know, I can see it, and it looks so much better after I do it, and it lasts quite a while too. But we'll look at that too. All right, so you guys hang in there. Be right back. So I'm going to go over my stubby ratchets and what I have. So this is my first stubby ratchet. It's a Cornwell, made in the USA. A very solid ratchet. It's not fine tooth. I've had this for many years. I think I got this back in 2000, 2001. I'm not 100% sure of it, but I've had it for at least 10 years, if not longer. Solid, been a great stubby ratchet. Then I bought this one, and I like this one because see how much skinnier it is. It's, I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's really fine, very smooth, flex handle, nice and skinny, get the tight spots. So this has become my go-to. Well, then I talked to my Snap-on dealer, and when I was doing an IPR valve on an International, the front fuel line that goes into the manifold, I had to replace that line, and it was really hard to get in there, and I did it with this, but if this was longer, it would have been better. So I talked my Snap-on dealer into putting this head on this 1/4 inch body. And as you can see, he did it. Nice and long. And this would have been perfect for the job because of how much further it came out. Like, I could barely get on this one just with a couple fingers. But you see this one I can get on there now. And these are the same head. I just put them onto a 1/4 body. So now I'll have an extra 1/4 inch drive. That's now this size. All grade tools. But I just recently got another one from Observer Tools. Now, I'm not really a big fan of this style, but I've come to like this. One, so I can't really compare these because of how skinny those are, but I can compare it to this. So for one, it's a little bit finer tooth. It has the quick connect or quick disconnect. This is your reverse, turn the whole thing there. And I don't know, I've just never really been a fan of this until I got this particular ratchet. So the handle, nice and big, but what's really cool about this handle is that you can do that and you can do that. So I was working on a panel behind the driver's seat and they don't leave much room, but I was able to do this and get right in there. With the short throw next to the seat, you know, frame, this really came in really handy. I could have put about 3 extensions together and brought it all the way out past the front of the seat. But of course, you know, the more you add, the more wobbly it gets and everything else. So yeah, that is a pretty neat little feature. I've been using it more and more. Doing tight spots like that. And yeah, I just want to show that I got this. So these are all my current stubby wrenches. A shout out to Observer for, I did not pay for this, they sent it out to me to try, which is really nice of them, and I like it. Actually, I really like kind of how big the handle is. I know it's kind of stupid because you want it as short as possible, but for something you don't need much torque on and get a good solid feel, I think it's pretty good. So I'm coming more over to this style. I might have to try some other ratchets. I know quite a few people that say they prefer this, and I might be one of them now. So, yeah. So, as you can see, my cart is pretty dirty. And I'm going to clean it, and I want to show you guys how well this stuff works. All right, follow along. So here it is. after I got done. Thank you for watching me clean my cart here. I hope you guys can see the difference of it. It's kind of hard to tell. The garage is dark. It's after work. And I stayed over to clean my box up. And I wanted to show you this product. Made in the USA. Love this stuff. I got this, and it came with 2 of these towels. This pink one and a gray one. And it's a really nice towel. I think the whole kit was $25 or $30. It's been a year ago, so I don't remember exactly, but the towels are actually worth that. They're really nice towels. So yeah, if you're looking for something. But I hope you liked today's video. I thought that the Stubby ratchets were just an interesting comparison, and again, thank you, Observer, for sending that out to me. It's I haven't used it too much yet, just on that, well, actually only on that electrical cover behind the driver's seat. The fuses on an old 2500 International. The modules, the body control modules, are mounted behind the driver's seat, and there's a cover to protect them, and it's held with 4 3/8 bolts, and the cover is as wide as the seat stand itself. Good engineering, right? So it's always hard to get a ratchet in there and anything else. You can extend it past the seat, like I said in the video, but then it gets all weird and wonky, and it's hard to, you know, have all that length out there and a wrench on the other side holding the nut. But it worked really well for that, so I can't wait to use it some more, see how well it works. Hopefully there'll be an update later on. I don't know when, depends on how much I use it or don't use it. But yeah, it's time to go home, you know what I mean? So when I'm filming this is Wednesday, hump day. Hope everybody has a good hump day. Insert joke here. And we'll catch you on another one. All right, take care, guys. Be safe. Thank you, everybody who watches my channel, who has or hasn't subscribed. I appreciate it all. And those guys that keep asking me questions, love it. Please continue to do that, and I'll do the best I can to answer them. All righty. Ciao. Welcome back, all my faithful constituents. Today I am coming from the house of the rich, and I would like to read to you today my favorite passage out of this fine, fine book. You ready? Lubrications 3:18. He who is without oil shall throw the first rod. I think we can live by those terms all, can't we? I hear a rod.